Hi everyone, this is Dr.R.Alarmelu Mangai, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, Dr.R.SNSRCAS College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So in this video series, we are going to discuss different topics under Advanced Analytics Platform from the paper Fundamentals of Data Analytics. So under that first topic is Orchestration and Synthesis using Analytic Engines. Now we will see what is orchestration. So I'll be displaying different images here. You just observe the images. Now comes the first image. See the image. Next is the second picture. And now follows the third one. So what you can observe in these three pictures. So in these three pictures, you can see each and every one are playing the instruments individually. Okay, and this is not combined together. Okay, now you see here, this is what Ilayaraja's orchestra. So what you can see in this image, each of them are playing the instruments and everything is combined together. So combining everything together is called as what? Orchestration. So by combining everything, you will be analyzing and you will conclude a result. At that analysis part, you called it as synthesis. Now, introduction to orchestration and synthesis. Orchestration involves coordinating various data sources, processing tasks and analytics models in a unified workflow to ensure data flows seamlessly and actions are triggered based on real-time insights. So here what you are doing, you are collecting the sources, that is data from different sources, and then each of the data will be following different process for processing. Then comes the synthesis part. Synthesis refers to the combining diverse data points and analytical results to generate a comprehensive actionable view that aids decision making across an organization. So by combining the results together, what you can do, you can come for a conclusion, you can do a decision making. Then comes the analytic engines. So what is this analytic engines? Since we are processing a large number of data, we will be using this analytic engines for processing. Okay, that is for predicting the insights using the machine learning models. Next comes the key components of orchestration in analytics. So first one is data integration and collection. So what you have to do in the first step, you have collect the data and you have to integrate all those data together. And then next comes the data transformation and cleansing. So whatever data you are collecting, you will not be using those data as it is. You have to clean your data. Okay, so that you will be doing it here. And you have to transform the data according to your analysis part. Next comes the analytics workflow. Here what you have to do is you have to define the sequence of data process and actions, and then you have to deploy and then report. Then comes the automation and scheduling. Automation is nothing but automating the execution of analytics tasks and scheduling them based on doing it in sequence, or you are doing it in batch processing. Okay, so since you will be collecting all the data in real time, everything should be automated. Next comes role of analytic engines in orchestration. So you have studied about analytic engines. Since we are processing large number of data, we will be going for this analytic engines. So now data processing. Analytic engines like Apache, Spark, Flink or Hadoop process massive data sets in parallel and in real time, making orchestration efficient and scalable. Model training and deployment. Machine learning models can be trained using engines like TensorFlow or PyTorch and deployed directly within the orchestration workflows to deliver real-time insights. Since we are doing it real-time, that is, we will be getting the feedbacks in social medias, which are all real-time. So these engines will be scheduled for taking the feedbacks and analyzing that. And actionable insights. Analytic engines support the extraction of actionable insights from data, which can trigger automated actions or business decisions. So based on that feedbacks, you have to trigger the action plans. Then comes the feedback loop. Integrating the real-time feedback into analytics engines allows for continuous improvement and refinement of decision-making process. So since we are continuously analyzing the feedbacks, you can do the improvements continuously and it will help you in refining your decision-making process. Next, what is synthesis in the context of analytics? So combining the data and insights. Synthesis involves bringing together data from various teams, merging analytical results and consolidating them into coherent insights. So what you are doing, you will be collecting the data and you will be merging the results and you will be consolidating them, and you have to see what you have to do, what has to be proceeded next. Then unified view of decision making. Synthesis creates a holistic, comprehensive view of business performance, customer behavior, and operational trends, driving more informed and strategic decisions. So based on the decisions, you can come for a conclusion and you can do the decisions. Example of synthesis. In retail environment, synthesis or synthesizing transactional data, customer preferences and market trends to create personalized recommendation for the customers. So this is the use of the synthesis. Next is analytical engines and synthesis. So here also what you have to do is, based on the decisions or based on the results you have got from the machine learning algorithms, you can decide what you have to do and you can even predict the future. And AI driven insights. Artificial intelligence enables the synthesis of unstructured data along with the structured data to produce more accurate and contextually relevant outputs. And real-time data synthesis. So real-time data synthesis, what happens here is the generated, which is generated online, that is in real time, it helps the market to predict and also how the customer behavior changes and what you can do to improve your business. And next one is orchestration and synthesis workflow example. So under that, first one is data ingestion, and next one is data processing, then synthesis, then actionable outputs. So you have to collect the data, process it, combine everything together, and you have to decide what you have to do. Next, coming to the benefits, you have improved efficiency, faster decision making, scalability, and actionable insights. So based on that, what you can do is you can take the decisions faster. Okay. Then this is your assessment part. You have to explain the orchestration and synthesis in detail. And this is your reference. And next topic what we are going to discuss is discovery using data at rest. Thank you.